Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. The shorty's paraplegic because she loved the meat stick. Alright, we good. Alright, what's going on, y'all? How's it going? It's your boy Broadway J, host of this channel, Kicks and Beats, the channel that gives back to the hood, so you know what's good. Hit like and hit subscribe if you haven't yet, man. Now, I know it's been about 2.5 weeks since I've been gone. Your boy's been hella busy, to be honest. Hella busy. Real estate moves in place, so don't worry, y'all. Channel has not been discontinued. I will always be here, I think. And we have a review for you guys today, but it's no biggie. This is actually a shoe that came out on 4/20. What a lovely number, right? But it came out on 4/20, 2019. We had a restock about a week ago. What am I talking about? Well, you guys read the title. I'm talking about the Yeezy boots, the oil colorway. We're gonna get into this right now. This is actually the first time I will be having a pair of Yeezy boots on hand. So this is such a genuine, response, what you're gonna get from me, genuine reaction. I've never seen them up close like this before. Now, just to let you guys know off the bat, they fit so tight. That's what I've been told. Like, people are telling me go a size and a half up from your true to size, not your Yeezy size, your true to size. What's the difference between true to size and Yeezy size? Well, Yeezy size is basically half a size up from your true to size in regards to Nike, Jordan, other brands, yada yada. Anyways, let's go take a look at this bad boy right quick. Shout out to StockX. Love you guys, man. You guys give me so much good stuff. The love isn't lost with GOAT, though. I love you guys too, man. And before we even get into this, guys, we got more stuff coming to the channel. In the corner of this video right now, you guys should see what I just recently bought off GOAT. Hell yeah, those bad boys are coming through. Man, big old box. This box is bigger than all the other Yeezy boxes. Yeah. Alright, let's check out the front. Well, this mic is in the way. Let's move it. Let's move the mic back. Alright. Let's check this out. Just to show you guys the proof, because all we do is authentic pairs here on this channel. Bow. That's it right there. Shout out to StockX once again. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Damn, man, you keep doing it. Hit after hit after hit, bro. Oh, nah. Like, it's hot outside today, and just looking at this is making me want to wear boots in 80-degree weather. Yo, this is dope. It's like the 500s, but they edited the bottom a bit. You know what I mean? Some edits over here. Oh, this is so sick. Take a look, guys. This is the oil colorway. Oil. Man, my Timberlands are going in retirement, bro. I swear my Timberlands are going on retirement. Alright, guys, so from what I see here, it's not like exactly all black. This looks pretty black right here. The mudguard material, that amazing mudguard material that I love so much. Yeah, but this is it right here. The black is right here. This color you see here within the suede portion, it's not the same. It's a little different. I would call it like some sort of brown that is super dark. It's like a super dark brown. I would definitely not call it charcoal at all. I don't think it's charcoal. It's like a super dark brown of some sort. I want to say kind of mixed with a little hue of purple, honestly, because if you look right here on the edges of these circles right here, you'll notice it a lot more. But yeah, this is incredible, man. Wow, I like the mesh on this too. The mesh looks really black. The blackest thing on this shoe, I would say, is the mesh material. Super black. But you know how Ye does, so give me another second. This is like the closest color on the shoe, well, on this boot, to black. But if you look deep into it, you can see that it is not like 100% pure black. My eyes want to tell me that there's some kind of dark brown in the mix with it, but this is like the most darkest aspect of the boot, the mesh for sure. Anyways, let's go take a look on the inside, see how the inside looks. See if I can pull it out. Yeah, it pulls out. Here it is, y'all, the insole. Yeezy Ortholite. And I am sweating in this right now. Alright, so let me grab this boot real quick and give you guys that on feet look. Let's get to it. Alright, y'all, so this is the end of the video. Let me know what you guys think. Was this a cop or was this a drop? Do you have it already? Do you plan on getting it? Let me know in the comment section below. To me, going a full size and a half up from your true to size is perfect. It feels real good, not too snug, because honestly, I'm not into that snug fit. I'm really not. So going a whole size and a half up was just perfect. It feels right. That's what I recommend, y'all. But anyways, your boy Broadway Jay, like I said, stay tuned for that other review. We got the Foam Runner Vermilions coming through. Yeah, can't wait for that one. It's the first time Ye's giving us an all red shoe regarding Adidas Yeezy brand, you know? I had to say it like that because we know about the original Ride Octobers, but you know, that's long gone. So yeah, first time we getting this from Yeezy brand with Adidas, and I can't wait. That's my favorite color of all time, as you can clearly see. But anyways, it's your boy Broadway Jay. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. See y'all in the next video. Peace, y'all.